Hey everybody, thank you for joining me. So real quick, I wanted to hop on and let you know of a project that is coming up in September. So me and my bestie, Beatriz Santana, she's on YouTube and I will make sure to link her information down in the more section and put an e-card, like a iCard up here in the top. But we both got this kit from Altanew and we're going to do 5 videos. There's going to be 4 using different sketches that we both chose. I chose 2, she chose 2. And then we're also going to do, I think, a die cut. Yeah, a die cut for the 5th video. So the first few things I took out of the box, 2 were frames. One was a date stamper. And then these are like postcards. They're really interesting, but they're of the different countries. So I'm just going to flip through a few. We got Egypt, Istanbul. I think this was Rome. Yeah. So like these would be interesting. If I actually traveled, this would be really cool. Like to form, like, um, I've been to Paris, but I don't have any pictures like on my phone that I could print out. I don't know. I'm gonna see what I can do. Um, Now these puffy stickers are awesome. I like how they have so many letters. We have some clear acetate pieces. Actually, I think I get smart. Yeah. So you got the butterflies. Awesome, beautiful, love, epic. I love it. And then on this sticker sheet, we have flowers we can color. And then these other stickers, they do tend to lead towards travel. This is like a travel inspired collection. Even though the papers, to me, it really doesn't have a whole lot of travel. It's really pretty. It reminds me more of watercolor. Um, I love these buttons, and then you have the wood veneers, and it looks like you get like some of them. You get 3 different sizes of the same bird. You get 3 different butterflies, and they're supposed to be like origami. On this is another sticker sheet, so you get more travel themes. I like those frames. I'm not sure what I can do with those, but I really like them. Stick them underneath something, have them peeking out. And then these are the chipboard pieces. I love that flower. And the world is so cute. I love the colors of it. It's like a rainbow. We get the small stamp here, and everything is, let's chill, work, and I missed that one. I moved it too fast. But that's a nice little stamp, and you can even use that for making cards, you know what I mean? So I'm going to put all the individual pieces in there, and I'm going to pull out the sheets. You get 2 of each sheet of paper, and they're single-sided. They're not super thick, but they're decent quality. I love this rainbow. I mean, hello. I, I mean, I just feel like you got to punch a bunch of stuff out. I mean, yeah. So we got this green and white stripe, the polka dots. Oh, this one is lovely. It's just so soft. I like the color tones with the blue and sort of like that almost olivey green. This one, what's cool about this one, I know it seems weird because it's all over the page. It's the world map, but I like the splatters and how it looks mixed media. You have that yellow sheet that's really pretty. Now these look like they could be fussy cut, right? So got 2 sheets of those. We have this one here, which to me also feels like it could be fussy cut out. Or you can use that as a jumping off point for building your layout. You know what I mean? And then it's kind of already set up for where to put the photo and, building up from there. Same thing with this one. It's just so pretty. Some of these is like, I don't know if I can break into it, like cut into it. Now, in thinking like Missy Whitten, you could cut this out and leave the bottom half with the flower and then attach it to a white sheet and then build up from there. You may have to do that. That might be fun. This one is soft and pretty, looking more like a watercolor. See, like the papers to me say nothing about travel. I think there's only one, and it's actually got words on it that say it. But other than that, besides the world one, the world map, these are all just neutral papers to me. I love it. The wood. This almost looks like brick, but it's also watercolor. You could punch a whole bunch of hearts out of that. Those are really pretty pinks and reds. Look at this. Are you serious right now? I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it. I'm just thinking, like, what can I do? I could do something with this. It's like, it's speaking to me because I love watercoloring. And then we have this one, which is like petals. So you could even cut those out and just add them in. They all look like realistic petals. Stop it. Stop it, people. And then look at that. Your background's already ready. Let's go ahead and start building up our foundation and create our layout. Like, it's done. Done. And then the green and the blue. I mean, there's a lot of papers in this particular collection. I didn't know that Altanew had so many actually scrapbooking items. So definitely check it out. This one was at a really good price. It was in their sales section, but I mean, you get so much for your money in this with the acetate and the chipboard and the stickers and the wood veneers. I mean, you get a lot of good stuff, and it's a great jumping off point. So our idea at one point was to do a kill the kit, but there was just so much papers in here. We were like, that's not gonna happen. But I mean, like I said, it's going to come, the videos are going to be on every Tuesday starting September 1st. And it's going to be fun. I can't wait. We're both going to be doing the same sketch. And then you'll get to see it, you know, obviously 2 different ways. And it's going to be a fun little hop that we're doing for the month of September. So definitely check a look. I'm going to have her links, like I said, down in the bottom. And if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And we look forward to seeing you in September. Something to look forward to. Something fun. All right, you guys. Thank you so much. And I hope you have a great day.